Hi, I'm Blake from P&L Automotive. We are the Auto Armor distributors in Minnesota. We apply protective coatings to vehicles in over 100 dealerships throughout Minnesota and in North Dakota. Our products start with the rust protection. When we rust protect a vehicle, we're applying a rust inhibitor to all the inner panels of the vehicle, up to the window lines throughout the vehicle, to protect against any corrosive materials from the inside out. So inside out rust is where rust begins. We're going to apply that rust inhibitor to all these panels using special access wands and a pressure pot gun system. So we're not affecting the structure of the vehicle by drilling any holes. Drilling holes was something they did in the past. What they found is where they'd pack those holes is where they would have rust begin. So we don't do that anymore. We then apply an undercoating to the underside of the vehicle, primarily a rust inhibitor, but also a sound deadener. With those two products, we can apply a 10-year rust protection warranty to the vehicle. Also, with a 5-year surface rust protection warranty when combined with our paint sealant. When we paint seal the vehicle, we're applying a neutralizer chemical, giving the car a neutralizer bath. The neutralizer neutralizes the pH and acid rain. We then take a clay bar, and the clay bar is like silly putty almost. It's a body shop safe clay bar. It's going to remove any rail dust or hard deposits that have gotten onto the paint. We then take our nanotechnology paint sealant. Nano just means tiny. Tiny molecules that actually fill in the valleys of the paint, creating a surface that is impenetrable for pollutants and contaminants. To show how well that product works, I can take this black spray paint with a nice little coat right there on the hood. Start it on fire. And using our cleaner renewer bottle that we give out to the customer when they purchase this protection package, using a liberal amount. Obviously this is kind of a worst case scenario. Yeah, you can see it's starting to come off right away. And as it takes all that off, imagine tree sap, bird droppings, mosquito etching, all common contaminants that we deal with here in Minnesota. If it'll take burnt on spray paint off that hood that quick, imagine what it's going to do against those harmful contaminants that we see on an everyday basis. With that, also that 5-year surface rust protection warranty, we give out a 7-year environmental paint protection warranty. Basically protecting this painted surface against any harmful contaminants, any kind of pollutants that could get onto the surface. As you can see, not even a remnant from the fire. We also apply an interior protection. We call this McDonald's proofing the vehicle. 7-year warranty against any food, beverage, oil, or grease stains. We also apply a leather vinyl sealant to all the leather vinyl areas of the vehicle, protecting against things like dye transfer and fading, cracking the dash. Again, all our warranties are repair or replace warranties. We'll go so far as re-dyeing, reupholstering an area, repainting a surface, or replacing a fender or any other kind of panel if it was subject to any rust.